Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Blythe-Needles Lodge number 473. How do I know that? Because it's written on the wall right here. That makes it easy, doesn't it? I'm here to take you through this lodge just a little bit, give you a tour around it, so you can see some of the things that they have here. A couple things I'd like to do is maybe, just maybe, I wish the lighting was better here. Maybe, just maybe, if you might see something in this lodge that you'd like to help improve your own lodge, or maybe you might see something in this lodge that makes you want to come visit this lodge. So that's kind of my goal here. But I hope to give you a tour around here. This is in Blythe, California. That's right, California. Never been to a California lodge, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm actually having an event. I just saw someone walk in with a tuxedo. Yikes, I'm a little underdressed. But maybe they'll let me in to at least come to the regular meeting. Anyway, let's go on inside, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic edition. Good news, we are inside. I just spoke to the district deputy who happens to be here, and he said I could do a video. Yay! How about that? They got that set inside. That's normally the cornerstone of one of the buildings. Normally it's the northeast corner outside, but I don't know why they got it in here. And this is their main hallway here, like that picture at the end. Famous Masons who are presidents. And they got a nice kitchen area in here. Got a few brothers in there already. And we've seen this kind of picture before. And let's go on in the lodge room. So inside here is their room registration where you sign the book and everything. And here is their lodge room itself. There's nothing on the door. I didn't see a knocker or anything like that on the door. Oh, look at there. There's a knocker. That's kind of heavy too. I like it. This is the main lodge room here. I was here earlier and I grabbed onto this thing, and this has got an octagon shape to it. You see the different angles here? You don't normally see that. Most of these you see are straight, and typically most of them are silver up top and not the gold. Looks good. Like the furniture, it's where a junior deacon would sit. Strength. One other thing I noticed since I took a little quick tour, this is a setting maul. I don't think I've ever seen a setting maul. It almost looks like a pawn on a chess set. A big one, but nonetheless. But normally I see them, they're about that tall. I like that. Strength, that's where a senior warden would sit. Here's one of the columns here. Like the lily work up top. Ooh, got nice pomegranates. You can definitely tell it's a pomegranate. Most of these you can't tell. That ball's about the size of a volleyball. A little smaller, how should I say, that globe. The preparation room there. I'm not going to go in there. And here's some seating. And we're going to walk down this way. I don't see any pictures up on the wall. Sometimes we see that. Sometimes we see paintings on the wall. I don't see any of that. I do see a nice baby grand back here. Don't see that very often. Normally you just see the uprights. Okay, here's our, I don't know what this is here in the middle. Maybe they'll explain that to me. I really don't. I've seen anything like that before. Smooth ashlar. Rough ashlar, perfect ashlar. Looks like that's their ballot box. Yep, you see those. That's pretty. It's probably the most common type of ballot box we see. I don't see any other logos. I do like the pointed up. You know what I mean? If it's by itself, pointed up. Good size gavel here. Got two-tone on it. And let me take a peek back here just because I'm curious. Sometimes you see there are like nice big paintings or something like that. Doesn't look like it. It's a straight up curtain. We'll double check. Yeah, looks like a straight up curtain back there. So they keep all their jewels up here. Got a G up there. I don't see any spotlighting on it, so I don't know if it lights up or not. My guess is no, actually. And here's where the secretary would sit. Got a set of gavels back there. Looks like an anniversary award. I'm actually looking for a charter, which I don't see. It's got a speaker. Looks like this is where the marshal's going to sit. He's got his baton. Sometimes I see these on the side in a stand. It's about 18 to 20 inches long. It's huge. And that looks like a kneeling board there. They'll probably put that next to the altar. And here's their staffs here for their stewards. Get the cornucopia. Looks like they're a little older than the others we saw. And you see, when I walked in here, this was actually laying down. So some jurisdictions, they'll put those down and some they don't. Obviously, this one here is up, just like it is in Georgia at this time of their meeting. Another one of those. And he's got a his apron there. And beauty. Yep. Got the plum on it. Nice. And last but not least, I want to look at the altar. I don't know if there's a knob here. Oh, nice. Looks like they all go on at the same time. Not always in every jurisdiction do they do that. I like the gold. You don't normally see these in gold. That's pretty rare. I've seen some that are true gold. I don't think these are plated. But most of these I see are silver. Don't see a lot of gold ones. Good. Blythe, California. Blythe Shrine Club. House of the Fortress of Lebanon. Let me see if I missed anything. I did a little bit, didn't I? Definitely Masonic Bible. Former presidents. Ooh, looks like we got some pictures of former presidents. Nice. King Solomon's Temple. I like it. Some of the brothers are about ready to come in here, so I may close this video out a little early. At least this part of it. Really like it. Cool. So if you're ever here in California or near Quartzsite, Arizona, come on over and see these brothers in Blythe, and I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. We had a good meal today. It was very good. It was spaghetti, but it was really good spaghetti, I tell you. Had everything else with it, but come on in and visit these brothers. I'm sure they'll welcome you with open arms like they did me. And hope you saw something in this lodge, or maybe it can help your own lodge. Maybe if you decide to come here, maybe you'll want to come visit these brothers. So I'll let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. And how do you get back there living the coolest life? Masonic edition.